Hi, my name is Shubhakriti Gaur and I am a second year student in Campus Law Center, Delhi University.
Hi Shubhakriti.
Hi.
So Shubhakriti, what do you think is the significance of moot court in the legal system?
Okay, for a student, I would say first I'll start with the student because moot court competitions gives you a bit of more into yourself. You kind of grow because it's not only depends on the textbook, it gives you practical insights of what you're going to do in your future if you end up doing litigation. And talking specifically about the legal arena, like legal world, definitely because in near future we will be the aspiring lawyers or maybe judges in whichever field you want to go. So it definitely gives you a check because even if you visit high courts or you go for the actual proceedings of the court, you might miss something or the other in it because you're yourself not there in that position. Moot court competitions gives you that edge because once you become a researcher, the other time you're a speaker. So researcher gives you an edge because you kind of research on that particular point of law, which in near future will help you because eventually we all have to do that. And once you start speaking, like you're there on the podium and you represent your college, it gives you suddenly that it's there within you to do something or the other. So all this thing really helps in building up a new generation lawyer because today we aren't like the old proceedings generally don't follow now in the courts. We have a different way altogether that everybody ends up doing in the court. So I think it definitely gives you an edge over the other students who generally don't like moots or don't go for it.
So what do you think the difference between a moot court and the original court?
Oh, a lot of difference between both of them. The significant difference, the major difference is like the original court gives you judgment. Moot court competitions don't give any judgment. You've been judged. Definitely you've been judged, but on the basis of your presentations, your arguments, and the way you put forth your point of law. There is no end. Like you're not getting any judgment for it. There is no if and but. You only end up doing what based on your performance. You've been given your you've been given obviously the prizes and all which are there in the competition. Secondly, moot court competitions have like you can go for 2-3 moot court competitions in your academic life. In court, you can't do that. You end up taking a case, you have to make sure that you give 100% to that case. And lastly, I would just say the original court has got a lot of changes in the court proceedings also. 50 years back, you find in high courts and the Supreme Court is very different. And today, if you look into it, it's very different. Moot court competitions have been more or same. It's been the same. You go as a researcher, as a speaker, you go in front of the judge who judge you on the basis of the arguments. So I think these are the two main differences.
So how do you think one should prepare for the oral arguments?
Yeah, that's the most important because once you're done with the platter, you give your memorial in front of the judges. Then you're done because then the part completely goes on to the judges because what they want to know from you is totally their call. So for the oral arguments, I just would say like there are 5 important points, 5 or 6. One is like you have to be presentable, 100% sure because you're representing your college. So that's the most important baggage that you carry. And secondly, you have to be very confident because see, the content doesn't really matter because your oral arguments they stretch to like 20 minutes or more. So there is a time when the judges want to see how you are answering the question, like not what you are answering but how you are answering the question. So confidence matters a lot. And then thirdly, in what way you're taking the questions that's been asked to you. Are you taking the question as just the counter ones that are there in your arguments? No. So make sure that you are answering the questions because they've been asked because it's related to the problem. So third one is this. Fourth, I would say you have to be firm to all your arguments and all the issues that you are putting forth because that's the thing that matters in moot courts, not in the original courts, but in the moot courts, this thing does matter. That you don't lose on your track. Just be in your track. You have to be very particular about the legal words that you use. You have to talk in the legal sense more rather than philosophy. You don't have to go in the philosophical way here and there. So yeah.
So and what do you think are the specific qualities that the judge are looking for in a mooter?
Yes, talking from the judge's point of view, I would just say they just want to know how the team has prepared. Because once you're sitting there with 2 of your another members, or maybe more than 2, they just want to know that how much knowledge you have over the other. So if you have in your place, if you are the best, definitely you are better than the other one. Because the other one may be best in their position, but they have to give one side they have to roll the dice at one side. So I think judges mostly look onto the confidence, the teamwork, the team spirit that we're taking in, we're playing in, and how we are answering the questions and how we dealing with the question of law. and how we're taking the other team also, because there are rebuttals and rebuttals also. So if your intent or maybe the confidence that which is in you has to be shown in your answers. You can't be like, my answers, like, your memo must be like very beautiful, very brilliant. But until and unless you present your memo through orals, there's no help. So judges, what they want to look at is like how much similarity is there between the memorials and your oral arguments that you're presenting. And I think in the end, it all depends upon which team has definitely said better than the other. So yeah, that's what they look at, which is the better amongst.
Okay. Thank you, Shubha.
Thank you. Thank you.